tell us so much about chemistry and life.
Okay, so for this step, you're going to need to be very careful and have an adult around. So you're going to cut about half a red cabbage and put it into about half a pot of boiling water, and then you're going to let it boil for about 10 minutes, and then all you need is water, so you can prepare the cabbage somehow for dinner, and then you're going to let the water cool and use it for the lab. Okay, so you're just going to break it apart a little bit. Just into little chunks like so. Okay, carefully place them in the water. It's only been a couple of minutes and the water's already dark purple. Now we can tell from fluids around our house which are acids and bases by our indicator, red cabbage juice. An indicator is a chemical that reacts differently with different acids and bases and creates different colors.
So what we have here is cleaning supplies, soda, milk, but most importantly, we have water, which is neutral, which is nor acid or base. Okay, so we've got pink, green, purple, blue, purplish, lavender, red, and then pink.
Okay, so we have to arrange this according to the pH scale, which is acids on one side and bases on the other.
Okay, so I know water, which is this one, and it's neutral, so it's going to stay right there.
Okay, so I know this one's vinegar, this one's lime juice, and this one's 7-Up. So I know these are all acids. So I'm going to go ahead and move these in these two spots. Like so. Okay, so this one's a little bit more red, so we're going to switch these two around. So then it's more in colorful order. This one should go here because...
No, that doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
Wait.
It would go here.
Does that mean that's an acid?
Oh, so this should...
Wait. This is an acid. No, wait, this one's more dark.
So this is an... there's more acids. Pink.
But then what's the green? The green doesn't match any of these.
So green is ammonia, which is one of the strongest bases for cleaning.
I don't know. I don't know which side it goes on.
I feel like these two should still switch.
No.
This one's a lot lighter.
No, it's a lot.
It's a lot darker, so it should go up here.
We've got different opinions.
Yeah, but still. This one...
But Kate, look. Look down here. That one's blank. You can't see through it. This one is see-through.
Yeah, it's dark red. This one's more pink. So it's dark red, pink, magenta, well,
We've got different opinions, obviously. I don't know.
Regardless of our own opinions, we've made our own pH scale at home, which is really cool.
Yeah.
So, how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm going to give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey, everybody! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!